Golly.
It's moving fast. I really just want to stick my hand right there.
Here, hold it. Hold it tight though. It's gonna move. It feels weird, right, when you shift the weight?
Yeah.
Come here, Dom. Hold
No.
it. Hold it.
No.
It's awesome.
It's
No.
not scary. Why?
I don't want to hold it.
Stop being a baby. Hold it.
It's yours.
Either you hold it or I'm gonna spin it and then drop it. I'm just kidding.
I don't want to hold it.
Why?
Here.
Trust
How
me,
do I
Dom.
hold it? Like this?
Yeah, just hold it like you normally do.
As-
Just hold
as
it tight.
tight as you
Yeah,
can.
hold it. You don't. Just hold it tight. Come here. Come here. I can't reach that far with this. I don't want to untangle it. Just hold it straight. Hold it like this. Hold it like this. Take your other hand. Other hand. Hold it.
Oh, my phone just
Why?
died.
You're so scared of it for no reason. Come here. Come a little closer, Dom. I gotta be able to come up. Stand over here. Don't. All right, come here. Ready?
Yeah.
Bring it closer. And try to hold it even. Don't be a baby. If you want to slow it down. See? Isn't that wicked?